this is room 508 of the Storm Hotel Reykjavik. And this is a balcony room on the top floor, which is the 5th floor. It's quite a small hotel actually. It's a nice hotel, it's quite a new hotel. As soon as you come in to the left, there's the bathroom. Very modern, just the usuals. But again, it is quite a small place this, so unless you get a superior room. Now, I did want to book the superior room, but they were fully booked out 6 months ago. So if you're wanting a superior room, I suggest you get on it really quick because they do go fast. But yeah, that's the bathroom. Just coming around, big full length mirror. Not a ton of storage space. That's all you've got. And I think the superior rooms are just the same as well. You get complimentary dressing gowns, complimentary slippers, usual tea and coffee making facilities. There's no safe, so keep your valuables on you. I just carry my bag around while I'm in Iceland, but there's definitely no safe in here. The bed's very comfortable, not wrong with that. Bit of artwork above. That's actually a place we'll be visiting, so you'll probably see it in the regular vlog. It's down on the south coast near Vik. And just usual fittings, lamps on each side, couple of chairs, little dresser where Claire's bits and pieces are, quite small. Good sized Samsung TV, and as I say, as it's on the top floor, it's a balcony room, which is like a shared balcony. And Claire's sat outside here waiting. As you come out, it's straight across from the Foss Hotel, which is quite a large hotel here in Iceland. And you look round to the left, straight over onto the water. As you can see, it's a shared balcony. But I'm sure in winter time you might be able to get some good sights up on here. And while we're here, it's still light at 11:30 midnight anyway. And yeah, that's about it. It's just a small room, like I said. The balcony room in Storm Hotel, Reykjavik, Iceland. I'll see you in a bit.